When a driver chooses to drive any amount over the speed limit, they endanger not only themselves, but the safety of other road users. The region of Peel has adopted the Vision Zero approach to road safety, the vision that no loss of life is acceptable on our roadways. Speeding is a key problem we need to fix, but we can only fix it by working together. Together with our local municipalities, we're implementing road safety measures to reduce collisions on Peel roads. We're reviewing speed limits, expanding our red light camera program, and using automated speed enforcement in school zones. We're also setting up radar speed trailers, traffic calming signs, and electronic radar speed signs. These measures are designed to encourage drivers to drive within the speed limit and to prevent collisions from happening. Be part of Vision Zero. Be the driver who chooses to slow down, and together, we'll move towards zero deaths on our roads. Learn more at peelregion.ca/Vision Zero. To see more videos about Peel, please subscribe to our channel.